Alright, I got this 50 that I'm selling. I had a guy look at it yesterday, but he wasn't interested. But yeah, I can start it up. That's good. It's so simple because I got it in a tub of water. She runs good. But I turn it off and turn right back up. There you go. So anyway, got that one for sale, and if anybody's interested, just give me a holler. I do have a power trim, you know, and I also have a remote control. I just don't have it hooked up. You know, I might, it doesn't have a wiring harness, but I might possibly have enough wire that I can open up the remote, and I don't have a key for it. It does have a, you know, it's got an output, but it's maybe not too hard of a fix for one day, and I got a whole bunch of wire. Hopefully I have the right colors, and I could make up a wiring harness. So anyway, yeah, it's a good little running motor. So just thought I would show that for y'all. Anybody's interested, hit me up. You know, we can talk about price. It's got a good hood and cover for it, which I'll have to pull out of the shed. And I've got a few different ones, so whoever wants the best hood and you know, and the Mercury that matches it, and there's a front plate that's included. So I just don't have it on right now, but anyway, it's probably after 75, maybe say 76 to 78, I think, because it's a black, you know, the cylinder head, it's a black cylinder head. Because the earlier ones, you know, they were the silvers. So yeah, but everything is in good working order. All the wiring's good. It has a wiring harness that's more the new style. You know, I don't know. It's probably an easy thing to replace that. So there you go.
I used to hear them talking the stories they tell. around.